Namaste and hello everyone. My name is Dr. Atousa Mahdavi, and I wanted to take this opportunity to thank everyone for following me on Facebook, as well as subscribing to my newsletters via email, and also those of you who are subscribing to my YouTube channel. Also, I wanted to announce that I'll be posting more videos like this, and videos would be about health, various issues revolving around wellness and health. For the last few years since I've been teaching yoga and I've been practicing Ayurvedic medicine, many of you come to me with various health issues, and you have many questions, important and deep questions about how to feel well again and how to get rid of a health condition. From very small and mild health conditions to serious conditions. So I feel like I would like to have these educational videos, informative videos that can support you and help you to find out a little bit more about little tools that you can add to your lifestyle, maybe yoga, maybe herbs, lifestyle, various issues with nutrition, supplements that can be utilized and help you towards your healing and towards your well-being. There are many aspects of our health that contribute to our well-being or lack thereof. So I'll be covering a lot of varieties of issues like that. So a little bit about my background. Some of you know about my background, those of you who've been in my programs, yoga programs, or talks about various health issues and issues in nutrition and Ayurvedic medicine or integrative medicine. So you have some idea about my background. I started as a chiropractor. I've been a chiropractor for 22 years now, and I have clinical experience hands-on with patients in a clinical setting, treating people with musculoskeletal issues, neurological issues, various digestive issues, allergies, people with hypertension, diabetic. So even though I started off as a chiropractor, but I expanded my education, academical education, a few years from being a chiropractor, and I got certified as a functional medicine doctor, which means it's nutrition. So we work with nutrition, and we work with blood testing, nutritional blood analysis, and having a perspective of physiological hallmarks that we find from the blood testing. Then we can have a roadmap as to what the patient needs, what are the depletions, what nutrients are missing from someone's diet. So I realized as a chiropractor, working just with the body wasn't going to be enough. Nutrition has a big contribution to one's wellness or lack thereof. So I got my board certification in integrative medicine a few years from being a chiropractor. I'm also a qualified medical examiner, which makes me a forensic doctor, forensic chiropractic doctor. Later on, when I started practicing yoga for my own well-being, for my own wellness, I discovered that with yoga, a lot of health issues are actually alleviated. So I started incorporating various aspects of physical yoga in my practice with my patients, and I would combine that with therapeutic exercise from my background as a chiropractor and a physical medicine doctor. I started combining various aspects of yoga with exercise therapy, and I realized how much more improvement and how much faster my patients can alleviate a condition. So then that also brought me in touch with the school of Hatha Yoga in India, and I became interested to basically teach classical Hatha Yoga. So I went to India and I got trained there by a very authentic school of India, and for 6 months I stayed there, and it was a very rigorous training. So then I came back with another tool to help my patients. So now I teach yoga. I've been teaching yoga for 5.5 years. a year or two after that, I became a Ayurvedic yoga therapist. So a yoga therapist can tailor-make or give you specific yoga postures, specific yoga practices for a specific medical condition or specific health condition. From understanding Ayurveda in my training in India and then as an Ayurvedic yoga therapist, I continued my studies in Ayurveda, and I became an Ayurvedic practitioner a year ago. And I've been seeing Ayurvedic patients since then. And it's been very miraculous, both for myself and for people that I'm in touch with, and students and patients and participants who come to me for various health conditions. This is a little bit of a background of my qualifications and what is my passion really. Because I feel like in today's world, the way we live, our lifestyle, our state of mind, what we're exposed to has contributed in a big way to our lack of wellness. We don't feel well. And our medical doctor says everything is normal on your blood test, nothing is wrong, but we don't feel well. And that also takes away from us experiencing life in its fullest possibility. So if you're not well, whether it's in the body or in the mind, you will not be able to accomplish your goals. You cannot fulfill your highest potentiality in this life. So my passion has always been contributing to human well-being. And these are my tools that I hope that can be instrumental in facilitating my goal and facilitating my calling and helping many, many lives that I touch and I come across with. So looking forward to the next videos and again being in your presence. With that, namaste.